Good evening, folks. Alright, so my second mini lesson is what is a stock market. So the first video was on what is a stock, and this is on the actual markets that the stocks trade on. So what is a stock market? It is an auction style market where people can buy and sell their stocks. So just like a car auction or a house auction where there's a bid and an ask for that certain car or house, similar with the stocks, it's always auctioned off, and these auctions are done on the stock market itself. Alright, the stock market is the only place to buy and sell stocks, so there's no other way to buy and sell a stock. It's only through a stock market itself. Right, the most popular stock markets are the New York Stock Exchange, Toronto Stock Exchange, otherwise known as TSX or NYSE. There's also other stocks in Europe. There is the Australian Stock Exchange, and there's also a smaller stock exchange within America. Like there's the American Stock Exchange, there's a Canadian Stock Exchange, so it's not specific to that city, but these are like the most popular stock exchanges. And these stocks are generally, the stocks that trade on these exchanges are generally companies from the countries they originate. So for example, Amazon is traded only on American Stock Exchange, so it's only traded on the New York Stock Exchange because it's an American company. Another example would be Shopify. So Shopify is a Canadian company, so they did originate from the Toronto Stock Exchange because they are Canadian, but I believe they also do cross into the New York Stock Exchange as well. Alright, so just simple bullet points. A stock market is an auction style market where people come to buy and sell their stocks. Think of a car auction or a house auction. It is the same idea. It's just on the computer, and it's just for companies instead of a tangible asset. All right, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, or you can email at aistockalerts@gmail.com.